Good morning YouTube, we're here in Amott Leisure Kingdom today. We just come for a wander around. I'm down in Stoke-on-Trent today for my parents, so we thought we'd just come for a wee look around in the van today. Jules in the beautiful sunshiny weather. Not
sunshiny, I don't think so.
Sunshiny on the inside. So,
I don't know, when I was coming here today I would have brought my coat.
Yeah, Luke's got Crocs on in the rain. So we'll take you for a walk around. So we're not. Look, got loads of stock in here though. So, might be worth you coming down if you're in the market for a van at the minute. There's plenty of stock. Yeah. So we've got an auto sleeper Stanton. It's only funny because I'll tell her surname. Mm. I can smell bacon. Okay.
Oh, there it is.
What's there, yeah? So, this van we come to look at Bursner Harmony line. This is it. Short compared to ours, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is 74,995. It's just under 7 meters long. 3.5 kilos, 4 berths, 4 travelling. 2021. So right, we're inside this Bursner Harmony. We're quite pleasantly surprised, to be honest. We thought it was going to be, it looks from outside quite small, but it's very roomy inside. So I'll spin you around so you can have a look. So we've got this back piece here, that's the second part to the bed on the back. Obviously, oh sorry, a U-shaped lounge here. You see, fixed table, and then drop down bed comes all the way down to this type of height, so not too high. You got your TV brackets and TV point there. Whatever you want on top of here, little shelf. Got a little cabinet here for whatever you should wish to put in. Room heating on this one.
Oh my god, look at this.
What?
The cupboards on either side.
And so there's cupboards at the back. And this is.
What's
I've
that?
got 2 travelling seats somewhere. That's the bed.
Yeah, but it's got like something you could, like a shelf there.
All right. So unusual layout. Showers at the front here, so it's got its own separate shower in the front. Quite a big shower. You know, I'm not the smallest of blokes, but you could easily shower in here. And then you've got a separate toilet in here. Standard Thetford, nice sink, nice deep sink, very good quality, really good quality. Cupboard under here. Nice plush carpets. So with this here now, we're in the cab area, normal Fiat cab. Pioneer head unit's been put into it. Nice leather Luke seats. Your leather, I'm sure, to be honest. Little above the cab here. This is kind of, I don't know what it is. It's above the cab. You get your skylight there. You turn around, then obviously You can block your cab off then from the rest of the motorhome. Or the other way is you can block the cab off from the rest of the motorhome this way. So it's a nice little sealed unit away from the cab. It's got
This is really unusual that you've got like a mattress there.
It's got Truma air conditioning. Sockets. The sockets up there. Sockets there. We've got a 3-burner hob. Deep sink, which is nice. Use that as a cutting board or extra workspace, I suppose. It's got a combination oven and grill, doesn't look like it's been used at all. Some storage space under there. Which you drop down under your sink where your gas points are.
That's how the table works.
There's drawers, cutlery things in there. Soft close. Same again. Nice deep drawer there. That's really deep.
Look. I really like it.
What's this? Nice big overhead lockers. Plenty of storage really. You've got that one there. You've got a nice big wardrobe here. You've got more storage under here. Looks like that's where the Truma heater is by the looks of it. Another socket here. Some blanks there so you could put extras in if you needed to. Massive fridge. It's not so tall but it's deep. And then it's got a separate freezer drawer here. Some pockets in the doors. There's a lot of things there. I don't know what they are. I see a couple of them now though, so it must be for something. What's this? Another little cupboard there. A little cubby. For light switch of sorts. Couple of USBs there. Yeah, it's got quite a lot. And back in the cab again. Right. $71. So this is the Dormo 75 4i. Sorry about not talking in, we were with the salesman at the time. But just gonna have a look. So typical YouTuber fashion, my battery just went flat then. So yeah, so it goes far back as well. So you got 3-burner hob and hot plates, so you can use that if you're on site using hookup to save your gas. Got a drawer, not soft closer. Must be false cover, that's probably where your gas lockers are outside. Got another little cupboard under here. It doesn't close very well. It's, in my opinion, it's a nice van, but it's average. Especially after being that version of the actual build quality is nowhere near. The materials used is nowhere near. But like I say, it's each their own. Everybody has got their own opinion on vans. You got to come and have a look at them to know what you're looking for. You know, what we might not be right for us might be the perfect van for somebody else. I mean, we've had 2 or 3 vans now, so you know it's not easy. But the best thing to do is come round, look at vans, try them out, take your time in them, or else you'll make a very, very expensive mistake. Right, we'll go to the next one. So right, we're going into another Adamo now. Julie's sitting in this one. This 2023 model, and it's automatic, and it's 72499. It says it was 76499, so a bit of a price drop. So I don't know if prices are just coming down with vans in general, or it's just they're trying to sell them off. I don't know. So this is the van. This is outside of the van. I've seen quite a few Adamos now. If you've looked at anybody else on YouTube, which I presume you have done. Yes, it's a nice looking van. Yeah. This is automatic. Let's take a look inside. So following on, this is on a Ford automatic. It's got the normal Ford stereo in this one by the looks of it. Nothing special. You've got the Thetford fridge here. As you've seen from the other one, non-removable freezer compartments. I don't know if that will bother you or not. Got a like a salad drawer at the bottom. Storage space right up. Mirror. Combined shower and wet room with a hump again. See the toilets on these, this one's the same, must be over where the wheel arch is. It's on a pedestal. So that might be, you know, especially for the shorter of us, it might be a bit more difficult to get onto. Blown air heating in this van. Strange little plant on sink again. Looks like it's just been stuck there really. That's for your shower. Hopefully. And there's your other bed here. Another drop down bed above the lounge. The lounge looks quite nice and plush, and at least with this one, not like in that last model I was in. This last model, as you heard, I bumped my head getting up towards the bed is because it's such a big step. This one they've kept it lower and put the garage further back. So I presume you can get from the garage from these. Yes, there's your outside locker door there, so that might be a bit drafty if the seals wear. Something to think about. Nice bit of locker space there. Let's see him again. That's a good sized wardrobe really. No risk of drafts from that one either from the outside. A couple of these bendy lights, we've got these in our autograph. Really handy they are. These ones obviously don't turn out nice. Nice lounge, small drawers. Again, not soft closing. Or soft closing should I say. And there's your controls for your bed, up and down, both of them by the looks of it. One there, another one this side. We can swap from up to down with the switch. Decent sized sink. Same as the other one, 3 burner hob and electric hot plate. This one's better, the top isn't more laid back, so well, that's just a bad design in the other one. And for your grill, full size oven. A bit of space underneath. Yes, it's a nice one, yeah. So we've had a good look round. So I'm just going to a quick pop in the shop now. I'm going to head off.
Oh, go inside.
Okay, I'll show you. You go in there then, do you? Where'd you go in?
No, that's through the door.
Do you?
Go in there first.
Yeah, okay. So in the shop. Nearly the showroom, that's nice. But the shop.
I want to smell you.
You like what?
I like to smell you. Like,
Yeah. So it's a good well-stocked shop here at Amott as well. If you want to get any of your stuff, all kinds of stuff that you could need really. Total cool. Total power. Mm. Soft cool.
yoga grill. Anybody who's on a diet or wanting
So do yoga while you're cooking?
you could do your yoga by grilling your food.
New way of doing yoga. Teppanyaki over 2000 watt that's. Look at these electric ones, these teppanyaki ones, yeah.
That's the one I want.
I thought it was a good price then, but it says it's £36.95. That's just for the table. That cat's 130, I'm sure we've seen a better price than that, to be honest, but there we go. What are these?
Alright, alright.
What is it? Oh, eyes.
Green eyes.
Hello. I'm lying in the mornings. Tired. There's a teppanyaki grill. There's another one. There's that one a bit less. 1800 watts. It's still high power. Yes. Trolley here, going to the beach. Get all your swag in. You'll stick your wife in and pull her along. Or the dog. Or both. What you want to go in here for? You want to learn electric fly spotters to get me with you. I'll go this side, okay.
That's what I need.
Oh, that's good actually, yeah. Got a fold down there.
£30.
How much?
30.
That's okay actually, yeah. You can peg it down to the ground.
Yeah.
Spot on that actually.
It'd be better than that because it always falls over.
Yeah. Julie's wrecking the joint. Look, throwing pegs everywhere. Come on, Julie. Don't wreck the joint. What's asking? Must be someone in it. If you want one, I'll get one.
I think it's really good though.
It says handy like it. It's where it closes down,
Oh,
it's small, yeah. Oh.
Oh.
There you broke
Help
again, haven't
me.
you?
Help me. It slides down.
Julie's wrecking it, look. Julie's wrecking the thing. Try before you buy another. We're going to ask him for get one of his areas. We're going to have a quick chat, see if they've got any. Pardon?
W chair.
Yeah, get your VW chair here, look. Only $49.95.
No, you alright, sure?
So we just got a spot on deal for this area from Amott. They've given us a £5 off because it's display model. Last one left. So I think go for that colourful now, yeah. A bit more psychedelic.
Wow. I like that. That's for her.
Mexican sunset.
That is so cute inside, look. We could tow that behind the motorhome and Max could have this one.
Small, yeah. Don't know if you can see inside it, I really can't see much.
No.
Small, yeah. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Told you.
Hi there,
Hi.
you alright?
Yep, thank you.
Thank you very much.
What?
Shut it off.
Yeah.
So, and I thought it was inflatable sofa. This. Oh, smart, yeah. You sticking Isabella Ronan on it.
Just stick that on the floor. Oh, wow.
There you go. There you go.
Look how smart this is. You put your bed down the bottom. Yeah. It's got a bathroom. Smart. Tiny bathroom.
Yeah.
With a toilet in it. It's really smart. Retro.
Quite tall as well, yeah.
Yeah. I like the colours on the outside. Look at the bed. It's got a 3-ring, 3-burner cooker.
For the size up, they've got a lot in them, yeah.
Yeah.
Got a fire as well, so
I can't open the fridge, I'm not going to pull it, I don't want to break it. Cupboard under the sink. That goes back. Wow.
Get your rollers on like yes, plenty of room, yeah.
Nice little sitting area with a light hanging. How smart is this?
You've got your camper kings here. 228 hour line. What then? Yeah, nicer. These, I like these. Plenty of bedroom there, look. Wow! Getting through the back door?
Yeah. It's a back door, and it's got a side door, and then it's got it's really cute, yeah.
It's handy, look at that.
You seen the price?
That there, 24.
24,995. This is amazing.
You can see very well. Get your fridge here.
Look at the bath. The bathroom's quite big.
Yeah, so you've even got a wet room in here. You've got your toilet there. Shower area, shower curtain.
Wow, look at the space in the cupboards.
TV bracket. Space in the cupboards for anything really. Plenty of room. Positive locking on them as well. Got a little hook somebody's probably put on or might have been in from new. Got a bit of storage space. Blown air heating. It's a locker space.
I'm thinking the bed, mate. It's bigger than ours.
It's really small that, isn't it? It's not that bad to get on either now.
Eh?
It's not bad to get on either. Decent sized fridge. No, but look at this. It's not very high, is it?
Mm.
Decent sized fridge with a cooler box at the bottom. Got a massive wardrobe. Sorry, the lighting's not very good. I haven't got my little torch
Wait
in
till
there.
you see the garage on it. It's got a garage at the front. Look at that space in there.
And there's your garage. Go. Massive. This is a no sport and fun black selection. Pre-owned 24,995. 4 berth. It says 4 berth, but 2 in there would be spot on for a couple. That is brilliant. Just loads of room in it. And it's 1400 kilograms, 6.25 meters. Great thing, it's got a ladder there to get off. And this back door's fabulous. Sorry guys, do you see all the back doors? Spot on. So cool. You got that, yeah?